So the VE will be wearing a body camera on your next site visit. The DVSA put out a statement that saying due to the rise in verbal and physical abuse towards its staff, the VEs will be activating a body-mounted camera if they feel threatened to record inappropriate or abusive behaviour. In reality though, the cameras are probably going to be on as soon as they set foot on site. They're not going to wait until they're being chased by a spanner to turn the camera on now, are they? They will keep the recording for 30 days unless they're going to take action against the site and prosecute. I don't think body cameras are such a bad idea, but I think the bad behaviour is more 6 of one and half a dozen of the other, to be honest with you. Look, there's probably some really badly run test stations out there, and I'm sure they're really abusive to VEs when they get pulled up on things that they shouldn't be doing. Those people need to be removed from the scheme. No one goes to work to get abused. But on the other hand, I hear a lot about arrogant, jobs-worth VEs who never admit to doing anything wrong, seem determined to find something wrong on every site visit, and they don't apply common sense to certain situations and don't speak to testers like they're talking to another human being who's doing their best. They just need guidance rather than a lecture. Having the camera rolling might encourage both parties to speak more nicely and professionally to each other and to work together for the good of the scheme. The recording will give an objective view to what actually happened on the site visit, and that can't be a bad thing. We've established in previous videos that you can film an MOT, but filming on private property needs permission and consent. I think testing stations, testers and VEs need to work together to get the correct balance of videoing for safety and being Big Brother. I do really hope, however, that the footage is not going to be used to nitpick any little thing that happens when they get back to the office and say something like, after reviewing the body cam footage, we've noticed that you were holding the corrosion inspection tool incorrectly. Here's some points. That would really undermine what they're trying to achieve and would make the whole thing a lot worse. Remember, we're all in the testing scheme. Let's stick together.